Is it on? Yeah. Okay, so hi everyone. Let's have a brief conversation on what chapterization is. This is the third video in the series of Know Everything About Dissertation. So before we begin, I want to share something with you. So this is a book called Blasphemy, and moving forward, we have this table of content. It is almost 13 chapters. Okay, the first one is Release, then Stepping Out, Stepping In, Jahannam, Unbound, Circling the Square, and this is how it goes on. Now this book is of 229 pages and the author don't want to bother us. Okay, वो नहीं चाहते कि हम परेशान हो, and that is why he or she has divided the whole book into chapters. उन्होंने इस पूरे book को chapters में divide कर दिया है. I also don't want to bother you all, so I'm going to be showing you some examples. उससे चीज़ें थोड़ी clear हो जाएंगी. Okay, let us have a look of it. Okay, so here goes the table of content, and we have this declaration, certificate, acknowledgement, abstract, and just excuse those things. Okay, we'll talk about it later on. Right now we'll only focus on chapterization. So the title of this specific thesis was Sexual Harassment and Violence in Tahmina Durrani's novel Blasphemy and My Feudal Lord. This was the title, and I divided this thesis into 5 chapters. Now, how to do chapterization? Now, that's a big question, and this is something where most of the students stuck. Now, see, chapterization basically जो highlighted parts होते हैं पूरे novel के, उनको आप एज अ चैप्टराइजेशन ले सकते हैं. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस नॉवल इज़ ऑल अबाउट फीमेल हार्डशिप, इट इज़ अबाउट male dominance, it is about sexual harassment, domestic violence, and it is about the subjugation of women. Okay, so these were something that I took as a chapterization. Like I took dominance of patriarchal power and authority, then representing female hardship was one of the chapter, then unveiling the truth, of course ये थोड़ा अलग है. Art of characterization, कि characters को किस तरह से portray किया गया है. Okay, and then कंपेयरिंग नैरेटिव टेक्निक्स, क्योंकि मैंने 2 बुक्स लिए थे तो मैंने कंपैरिजन भी दिखाया है. सो यू कैन डू दैट. अगर आपने 2 बुक्स चूज़ किए हैं, अगर आप 2 सेंचुरीज़ को ले रहे हैं, या अगर आप एक ही सेंचुरीज़ को के 2 राइटर्स को ले रहे हैं, तो यू कैन कंपेयर. ओके, यू कैन कंपेयर देयर नैरेटिव टेक्निक्स, यू कैन कंपेयर देयर उन्होंने सेटिंग्स कैसा लिया है, जॉनरा कैसे होता है उनके नॉवेल्स के, थीम्स कैसे होते हैं, हाउ इज़ इट डिफरेंट फ्रॉम ईच अदर्स, एंड ऑल्सो आप सिमिलरिटीज़ भी दिखा सकते हैं. सो दैट वुड बी लाइक comparative study of Jane Austen and Emily Bronte's novel. Okay, you can take it as one of the topic. Then talking about Anita Desai, so you can take or the narrative technique of Anita Desai's Cry the Peacock and Where Shall I Go This Summer. So these are a kind of topics that you can take. And now see, to make our thesis look more concrete and stable, we use sub chapters as well. अब ये क्या होता है, ये चैप्टर्स के अंडर आता है, एंड बहुत बार चैप्टर्स में जो हाईलाइटेड पोर्शन होते हैं या जो हाईलाइटेड पार्ट्स होते हैं, वी यूज टू कीप दैट एज अ सब चैप्टर. सो दिस वन इज़ फ्रॉम माई थेसिस. आई डिड नॉट ओवर क्राउड इट, but you can take as much sub chapters you want. Okay, let me show you one example. The title of this thesis was Psychological Conflict in Anita Desai's novel, special reference with Cry the Peacock and Where Shall We Go This Summer. So can you see the table of content over here? She has taken 9 sub chapters and किसी में सिर्फ 3 लिया है. So it's up to you. But remember, the more sub chapters you take, the more questions will arise from there.